In this video, I show you how we can delete and get rid of multiple messages or all messages in fact on your message box on Instagram. So it's very simple and straightforward tutorial here guys. But first of all, you need to switch it to the professional account, because when we click on this particular edit option right here, the options we only get is to create a new message. So there is no direct way of deleting the multiple messages on a personal account, but we can get the option if we switch this profile to a professional account. And don't worry, whenever you want to switch back to the personal account, you can do that as well. So first of all, just click on the profile icon from the bottom right. And once we are in the profile, just click on the three lines at the top right. Now from here, if you're using the personal account, just scroll all the way down to this area, which is just above the last some sections. Let's say it's third or fourth last. Just click on this account type and tools. And from here, you can see the option on the top to switch to professional account. Just click here. And once you've done that, just fulfill all the requirements. Let's say what kind of professional account do you want for? For example, I'm a digital creator. I'll check here. If you want to display on the profile, you can do that as well. And they might ask what type of professional you are choosing. So if it is a creator or business, you can choose accordingly, not now, and close out of here. Now, once we are in the professional account, you will notice that some of the options change on the main screen. But that doesn't matter. Just go to the home tab now and click on the messages. And here we can see multiple messages, right? You might have hundreds and thousands of messages, but the procedure will be same. What we can do is, now we are getting this editing option again. Just click here. Now what we will see is, although it is switched to professional account, by professional account, we means we have special features like primary, journal and request category in the messages, but still we are unable to delete all the messages. So what we can do is, from the home page, just swipe across towards right. Now, once we have done that, just go back to the messages, and like I am in the messages right now in the professional account. If you want to get rid of all the messages, just click on this three dots with the lines on the top right, and it will give you an option whether you want to select one particular one, and if you want to delete all the other chats, you can select here, and from the bottom right, just click on this delete option right here.